Hello, welcome to today's show. Today we're going to talk about our Monos suitcase right here. Let's move her down a bit. Oh, let's bring this up. It's medium size, got it for my wife for Christmas. She really loves it. Color's really great. But you know, we went to Mexico and, well, you can see, let's see. Anywhere that it's touches it and it bangs up. So I get that's why people buy black. You never see all these marks, but then everybody has a black suitcase. I think in the future though, I'm just going to cover it with the bag that it comes in, and then it won't get all marked up. What I did do before we left is I sprayed it with water and stain protector. So let's see if that helps getting all this thing. You just have a little ivory soap and water. I'm going to try to wash this off. Let's go try and get that off. I thought I was thinking ahead by spraying it, so we'll see. Well, those are scrapes. You're never getting those out. So that Vim, that's working good. Except my wife's not gonna like on our table. Yeah. Look at that, that's all coming off. See that? I'll talk about it later. I'm going to clean these up and then see what it looks like. There. Okay. Let's let that dry. So I'm back, still here. And I just noticed that the Vim takes some of the color out. Fades it, but it's so then I wondered about just waxing it. So I did wax this one side, and then I looked it up on the internet. You can wax poly suitcases. So let's see how that works. I'm just using color wax. Hope you'll be able to see. Help some of the marking. For sure it'll be easier to clean. Well, let's let that sit for a few minutes and then we'll buffer out. Okay, let's buff that out. There, so the wax brings it out nicely. Yeah, sorry, there's lots going on in the kitchen because it's nicer lighting. So what I'm saying is, this is nice. It's going to get dirty and banged up just the way it is. Clean it, wax it. I think wax it before you go. The Vim wasn't a very good idea, it dulled it up a bit, but some of those marks I had to use to get out. I'm going to make a case for this. That's the best way to keep it clean and mark free. Get a case. I'm going to make a case. There's a bag that comes with it. I'm going to try and make a case out of that. Or just get some cotton and make a case, get to the airport, take it off. You don't want everybody to see you have a nice suitcase. Alright, those are my thoughts on the monos, cleaning the monos and waxing her up. Probably with any polycarbonate suitcase it's the same. Just wax it before you go and clean it when you get back. That's all you can do. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have a comment that's helpful to others, please leave it. Later.